Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You also have various panels available on your screen called palettes in CS3 and earlier versions. These panels allow you to select which layer of a photo to edit, select colors, and other various activities that you would otherwise have to perform through the menu bar, options bar, or toolbox. They appear in small groups at the right side of the screen. You can click on the names of the tabs in the panel boxes to switch which panel you're viewing, like this. Now you can also select Window and then the panel name from the menu bar to view the selected panel in the panels boxes as well. So Window and Channels, for example, to display that. And I could select Window and Channels to hide it. To move a panel box, just click and drag on the title bar of the panel box that you want to move, and then release your mouse when it's in its desired location. You can also collapse, expand, and close each of these panel boxes. In CS5 and CS4, just double-click on the panel's name right here, and you can collapse or expand it. You can also click the Collapse to Icons button. That's this left double pointing arrow here. Give that a click and it will collapse it to an icon. Give it a click again and it expands it. In earlier versions, you can click the Minimize Maximize button in the upper right corner to collapse and expand the panel box. You can close a panel box by clicking the Options button in the upper right hand corner of the panel. That's this downward pointing arrow right here, and selecting Close from the menu that appears, just like that. Now you'll see in upcoming lessons that there are many other options that you can choose from that menu as well. In versions prior to CS4, you just click the X at the right end of the panel's box to close it. Now you can view the panel again, as we've seen before, by selecting Window and the panel name from the menu bar. As you become more familiar with your workspace, you can even arrange the panels as you wish. You can click and drag a panel from one box and deposit it onto another box by clicking and dragging on the panel's tab name, like that. And this way you can create groups of panels that you use frequently together for easy access. You can also place your mouse pointer over the edge of a panel box and then click and drag when you see the double pointed arrow appear to resize the panel to the shape that you prefer, like that. Now if you wish to reset the panels to the way they looked at startup, select Window and then Workspace, and then Reset Workspace, whichever one you're using, in this case Essentials, from the menu bar. Now in earlier versions you would select Window, Workspace, Reset Panel Locations from the menu bar, or use the Workspace drop-down arrow in the Options bar, and then click your choice. Now the panel well is the long gray box at the right end of the Options bar, located right over here. You can click and drag panels into this area to dock them there. Then you can click on the tab of the panel that you wish to view to see it. You can also expand and collapse the dock to show or hide more panels using the right or left pointing double arrow buttons at the top of the panel well, right here. And so you can change your workspace however you want with the various panels and the panel well.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.